Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look at editing a component inside an assembly. So as you might have noticed when we were building box 1 here, this side of the box was a little bit too long. Okay, so you can see that on both edges. So this is where working inside an assembly can be a huge benefit, because you can see if I was going to actually build this box out of wood, you can see that if I had gone with the measurements that I made, then my box wouldn't fit together correctly. So by modeling it out ahead of time, I saved myself time in the long run versus as if I was gonna model it or just start making it in the pieces, and then I would cut them all out and then go to put it together and it wouldn't fit correctly. So to fix this and change the measurement, this part of it, of editing, can get a little bit weird because there's a lot of stuff going on with all the different components in here. This is where keeping an eye on your feature design tree over here can be really helpful to see what you're editing and what's going on. All right, so I'm going to find one of the sides here. So I clicked on it, and you see it highlights over here. Okay, and if I look at this, I can see this is what we're used to seeing: front, top, right, origin, and then my two boss extrude and cut extrude. So this is how I can edit that part. If I come over here to box side 1, okay, that's the one I want to change, right click on it. Okay, that will let me edit the part. So right here I can edit the part. See, everything else is going to go to be clear so that I can see what I'm working on. And now if I go in here, okay, this would be very similar to what we've been doing. So I'm going to find boss extrude 1, okay, which has my length in there. I'm going to right click, edit sketch, and it looks like about 1/4 inch. I need to change this 9, so I can double click, change it to 9.75, hit enter. Okay, still not quite there, so maybe 1/2 inch. 8.5. All right, there we go. And when I do that, now my measurement's correct. I can see it lines up. Okay, up here, there's this extra box here, but everything else this way is the same as what we're used to using. So I can exit the sketch, and that will put that part back in there. Okay, and then up here, this is how I exit out of editing. So if I exit out of that, then it'll put me back here. Okay, so you can see that piece is a lot shorter now than it was. It looks like I actually made it too short. So this is, again, why working inside an assembly can be helpful. So apparently I messed that up. I made it too short, so I need to go back in and make changes to that again. So I can click on that, go back into edit part, or you could go in a little quicker and edit sketch here. So 8.75. Okay. And then exit sketch, finish editing. There we go. Okay, so now my part's the right size, and I can finish by making this box on top there. All right, so there's a lot of things you can go wrong, clicking in different places and clicking on wrong things. The main thing is keep an eye over here on your feature design tree, and this will show you what things you're editing.